Hey viewer, I have that image for editing, so let's edit the image by using the different features there. So we will go to the adjustment, use the exposure there, offset, gamma corrections here, filters as well. So we will make the liquefaction as well. So then there are the further filters we can put on that image. So there we have, you can get that as an art and fill up with the paint bucket. Here is the history brush to get back the real image and remove the effects.